First of all, we're going to chop our shrimp into bite-sized pieces. For the rest of our fresh ingredients, we have some lime, green onion or spring onion, whichever you prefer, sesame seeds, chili, and fresh parsley. And this is exactly how everything should look once you're done chopping. Don't forget to prep your herbs too. Now, let's flavor the shrimp. Toss in some chicken powder, black pepper, and a splash of sesame oil. Give it a really good mix. And then throw it a little bit of that chopped parsley for some freshness. Next up, take your rice paper and cut it right down the half. Soak it in water just long enough to soften it a bit, then lay it flat on your chopping board. I actually like to layer 2 sheets because a single layer can be a bit too thin, and I love that nice chewy texture. Place your marinated shrimp on the rice paper, leaving just a little bit of space around the edges. Fold both sides in first, then fold the top over and roll it up tightly all the way to the end. Pro tip: lightly coat both sides with a bit of sesame oil so they don't stick together. While those are getting ready, let's make an incredible sauce. First, we will need soy sauce and oyster sauce. I'm actually using some leftover sushi soy sauce here to add a bit more richness to the flavor. Add in some sugar, salt, chicken powder, and a splash of hot water so all those ingredients melt together perfectly. Now just stir, stir, and stir. To finish it off, squeeze in 2 or 3 slices of lime and mix it well. Then toss in a little bit of chili oil, sesame seeds, and our chopped parsley, spring onion, and fresh chili. Give it one last good stir and our sauce is officially done. Pop the roll into the steamer, and after about 7 to 10 minutes, our steamed rice pepper shrimp roll are ready. Pour over that sweet, savory, and tangy sauce. And it's finally time to eat.
I just had to let you know you're